let's look at the fastest, most powerful tree cutting machines in action. These massive chainsaws showcase incredible speed, precision, and unstoppable strength. The strength and precision you're gonna see will blow your mind. Stay with us and see the jaw-dropping power of the fastest big chainsaw cutting tree machines, a sight you won't forget. Firstly, see how effortlessly this strong equipment cuts through thick woods? The roots are chopped into tiny pieces in seconds by its high-speed, sharp blades. You will be shocked by this heavy-duty cutter's power and accuracy. Don't miss this fantastic tree-cutting spectacle. Next, check out how this cool technology works. A machine lifts and processes the entire tree from its roots. It cuts off all the branches, leaving only the thick body of wood. Tree cutting is quick and easy with this vigorous machine. However, this fantastic technology lifts the wooden portion of the tree and accurately slices it. Its ultra-sharp blades cut the wood into 4 equal pieces. Because of its incredible speed and accuracy, it cuts trees faster and more efficiently than ever. What a fantastic machine! Trees are quickly broken into little wood chips by their incredible speed. It's so strong that it easily crushes little branches and the wooden base. See how quickly this high-speed technology may cut up trees? Furthermore, the machine is incredible. You can observe how it helps quickly remove hard, strong tree roots. It performs a great job and is relatively fast. The efficiency with which it completes its task is quite impressive. As you can see, this fast-paced grinder is fantastic. Tree roots are being broken out and removed with ease. The machine's outstanding performance dramatically simplifies the task. Its effectiveness and strength in completing the task are truly impressive. Moreover, this rapid grinder has excellent technology. It's only effective when used by experienced operators. Grinding branches rapidly clears the ground and makes the way clean. The entire procedure is quite efficient because it works well with giant trees. This technology divides trees into pieces and is incredibly impressive and quick. Despite its excellent efficiency, it can also be dangerous if used by an inexperienced individual. The risk increases with the quality of technology. Thus, only qualified people should use it. You won't believe what's coming next, which is known as a stump grinder. This cutting-edge device has a sharp cutting action. It's very effective. It can grind an oak stump in 7 minutes. Because of its speed and accuracy, it's a fantastic tool for efficient and rapid stump removal. In addition, this fantastic machine works at a high speed and has a dangerously sharp blade. It effortlessly chops wood and trees into small pieces. Because of its strength and accuracy, qualified experts should only use it to guarantee performance and safety. And there's nothing like the Raver WD-400. It efficiently manages huge pieces and all types of wood. It has a precise optical detecting system, smooth speed control, and less downtime. This machine is an absolute workhorse if you want the highest sawmill efficiency. And that's just the beginning. The powerful 1300B tub grinder is made for processing large amounts of wood waste. Its enormous 31-inch saw blade is powered by a 1500 horsepower Caterpillar C32 engine. Thanks to real-time diagnostic technology, it guarantees effective, environmentally responsible operation with little downtime. Though uncommon, the Ransom Shark-Tooth Stump Harvester's power and efficiency changed everything. It improves land clearing by quickly crushing huge stumps. The sheer force of the digger is essential for carrying those vast slices, and felling heavy trees requires accuracy. This next one takes things to a whole new level. A massive circular saw equipped with intelligent wood-cutting technology is unique. One move gives a clean cut, whether a big tree or a wood pile. When mounted to a tractor, it can remove trees and roots in under 1 minute. Meanwhile, this strong equipment may speedily chop trees into tiny pieces, making them ideal for fire. It's highly effective and wonderful, but it's also very risky. Therefore, it's important to use it carefully to avoid accidents. Things are gonna get crazy. When this strong equipment chops trees, wood chips are created, which are then used as biomass and fuel. Perfect for swiftly and quickly processing wood. This is great equipment. Thanks to new technology, the 440 horsepower Dostat DW360K and AK635 railroad tie cutters are very good at cutting through tough railroad ties. Their accurate cutting technology increases productivity, completing tasks efficiently and saving time and energy. The Foley Bell Saw circular sawmill is ideal for home projects because its 40-inch blade can cut logs up to 20 inches. It's a fantastic piece of equipment that gives anyone working with wood at home efficiency and accuracy. Next up, this technology splitter immediately splits logs into sections with 15 tons of force while the pendulum system slices them with millimeter-level accuracy. Compact, dependable, and essential, it guarantees accuracy and efficiency in every cut and is a must-have for any wood processing operation. However, the U350 wood splitter has a strong 120 horsepower engine, making it easy and quick to split thick logs. Its clever design maximizes the wood processing process for faster, smoother results, offering remarkable efficiency while saving time and labor. Moving forward, the 8-way splitter in the Sakov system wood splitter cuts the wood into 8 pieces in a single turn. Solid wood may be easily turned into properly split logs because of its straightforward yet dependable design and strong hydraulic power. The Gensys Fire 582 wood waste grinder, equipped with a powerful engine, is built for efficient wood waste processing. It can grind large, tough wood pieces, delivering high performance and saving time. Its sturdy, mobile design helps optimize the recycling process effectively. As the journey continues, the Viper 84 is a powerful tool for treating wood. When you toss in a large trunk, it makes just-in-line wood chips more quickly than you can say chainsaw. This giant can convert a forest into a pile of fuel, showing its exceptional efficiency. In contrast, a chainsaw is the most popular option for securely putting down big trees. It effortlessly slices through thick trunks because of its strong engine and sharp blade. Experts operate the equipment accurately, ensuring total safety at all times. Moreover, the WB2000 uses advanced laser-guided technology to reduce waste and increase yield. Its accurate cutting mechanism meets industry norms by guaranteeing accuracy within 0.1 inch. The high-torque motor and improved blade provide effective cutting while consuming 15% less energy, increasing lumber output and saving money. Similarly, the L922 wheeled loader is a strong machine for tough jobs like cutting down trees. It's ideal for productive tree cutting because of its powerful engine and advanced hydraulic system, which enable it to lift, move, and transport big trees under challenging working conditions. The next move is horizontal grinders to make mulch out of Hurricane Michael's trash and down trees, which is good for the environment. This is a great example of how technology can turn calamity into a resource by enabling the recycling and reuse of previously wasted resources. Furthermore, with its small size and powerful design, the fixed HWP 120 head enables this mini digger to swiftly and easily cut and process firewood. Because of its effective performance, it is perfect for small or limited areas and guarantees smooth operations even in limited situations. In the end, new CNC 24 machines have high precision and powerful control systems. Rapid cutting speeds allow it to process metal, wood, plastics, and alloys. This complicated equipment optimizes manufacturing for modern industry. Well, there you have it. Those fast and intense big chainsaw tree cutting machinery moving forward. From jaw-dropping precision to near disasters, these powerful tools show the true force of extreme machinery. Watch these extreme high-speed chainsaws tear through giant trees with incredible power and precision. It's a thrilling display of unstoppable cutting force you can't miss. When I first saw the Ransom Shark-Tooth stump grinder, I was amazed, but watching it slice through trees effortlessly, mind-blowing. But if you think this is intense, just wait until you check out the unstoppable heavy machinery and the skilled team behind it. It's on a whole new level. Hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more jaw-dropping things. We'll see you again soon.